been associated with this opportunity right from the beginning. So before we kind of get started, let me just give you a quick background and context about WNS presence in Pune. We have 5 delivery centers in Pune. We have a massive presence here with about approximately close to 12,000 people within WNS here, working for our global clients. If we talk about our insurance presence, Pune also happens to be our insurance center of excellence. So we have close to about 6,000 people aligned to insurance client across the globe, right from your UK, US, North America, APAC, and so on and so forth. Now, when we talk about our insurance presence in Pune, there are we also have 2 Lloyds of London Center of Excellences out of those 5 delivery centers. The one where we are standing here today, which is SP InfoCity, and the other one is in Magarpatta. From this particular facility, we cater to 3 of our Lloyds of London insurance clients, the first one being Convex, the second Hyperion, and we are also going to start soon our operations with McGill and Partners in the coming months. So that's a bit of a context about our presence in Pune. As we move forward, as you would see, we are getting inside the reception area of our SP InfoCity office. You would see this particular area is been monitored by security guards 24/7. Also, you would appreciate the fact that we are also following all the COVID guidelines here. You would see that everybody is going to, whosoever is coming to this particular building or this facility, their temperatures are being scanned when they are coming inside. Also, you would see that there are multiple places within the facility where you would see all of these hand sanitizers to make sure that we and the employees aligned to this particular facility are following all the protocols. As we move forward, I would like to talk a bit about our logical and access security controls. You would see that all the facility is being access controlled. Whosoever is coming to this facility, they need to have an ID card like this, right? So for employees, we have a separate ID card, and of course, for clients, there are different access levels that protocols are being followed. When we talk about the access security and controls, there are common areas where everybody has access to, whosoever got an access card. And then there are specific accesses which are aligned to the processes or the clients that you are engaged with. Let's move forward. Now, as we move inside the facility, you would appreciate the fact that all the common areas you would see WNS branding everywhere. This is just to make sure that our people are absolutely aligned to the core values and missions that the company follows. Throughout the facility, you would see such kind of marketing material being published so that people are able to associate themselves with the brand. While these kind of brandings is something that you would see across the common areas. When we see a couple of floors, you would appreciate the fact that all floors are client branded, so that people are able to associate with the client brands and they consider themselves to be part of the extension of the enterprise. Let's move forward. If you see, this is the AHE room. This is to make sure that the quality of the air which is flowing is smooth and seamless. We also talked about, as at WNS, we are very strict about the data security and info security guidelines within the organization, and to make sure that all the employees are also aligned towards that policy. We have dedicated lockers aligned to them, so none of the employees are allowed to carry their mobile phones or personal laptops to the shop floors, and they have to keep all of their personal belongings here, just to make sure that we are absolutely aligned towards the data and the info security policies within the organization. Moving forward, you would see this is one of the boardrooms that we have here. This is where we would have loved to host you, but considering the fact that we have to live with this, but this is one of the boardrooms that we have. It is all equipped with all the communication channels. Okay. As we move inside the facility, what you would also see is that the layout is pretty simple yet modern. It's in a square shape, so wherever you start from, you end up coming to that place only. Across the base, you would see the operational floors, and you would also about to see the meeting rooms, the training rooms, and so on and so forth. I talked about that branding. You would see there is some WNS branding here as well. And on the left side, you would see there are particular operational floors. So I don't have access to this. All of this is access controlled. Whosoever is aligned to this particular process will only have access. Let's move forward. This is the hub room. Now, obviously, a very restricted area. Only people from facilities and IT have access to this to make sure that we are connected 24/7 to our client networks. Moving forward, this is one of the operational floors for one of the clients, Lloyd's of London clients, Convex, that we spoke about right at the start. Inside, from a branding perspective, this is absolutely branded to our client's requirements. And that's how it is. Okay, moving forward. There are 4 emergency exits within this particular facility just to make sure that in case there is a mishap, we are able to take care of that and we are able to secure our employees. At the same time, just in case somebody falls sick or has to be taken care of by a doctor, there is a medical room, which is always covered by a doctor or nurse just to make sure that our employees are safe, and in case they need to be sent back home or needs medical attention, they are able to take care of it. Come in, let me show you. All right. Moving forward. As I said, right at the beginning, if you look at the layout, it's kind of in a square shape. So we are kind of taking a turn now. We are moving towards the breakout area. This is where typically people will come in during their break times, hang out, spend some time and unwind themselves. These particular areas are equipped with vending machines just to make sure that in case they want to grab a drink, they have that facility available and able to take a chit chat with their friends. Also, these areas are sometimes utilized for birthday celebrations, just in case somebody wants to celebrate their birthdays with their colleagues. So this is one of the breakout areas that we have. Moving forward. As I said, when we kind of started this conversation, I mentioned about this particular facility being one of the Lloyd's of London Center of Excellences. Now, to cater to that requirement, we have got dedicated training rooms attached to the Lloyd's of London market, wherein we ensure that the employees who are getting trained, they have access to the right kind of facility before they kind of graduate and move forward. Obviously, all of these are also access controlled, and anybody who's part of that training program will only have access to these particular rooms. For today's purposes, to show you this particular facility, I have taken an access. So let's move forward.
Yeah. Sure.
As we come inside one of the training rooms, what you would realize is that all our training rooms are equipped to handle a batch of minimum of 15 to 20 people. From a conceptualization perspective, on theoretical knowledge perspective, we have the projectors and whiteboards. But to make sure that people also get enough practice and on-the-job training, you would see that there are laptops and dedicated systems aligned to them to make sure that they get enough practice before they graduate. On the right side, you would see the WNS Domain University Wall of Fame. What you essentially see is that people who have completed certifications from CII, their pictures have been aligned here. We have an exclusive partnership with CII, and that is the reason that we encourage our people to take up these certification courses and make sure they get enough knowledge as they move forward in their career. With this, let me take you to the last part of this particular virtual tour. Obviously, there is a big surprise element that we have kind of created. I would not like to unveil that surprise, but I would let my colleague Anshul Joshi talk about that to you. Anshul, hi, how are you?
Very good.
Good to see you, man. Hope you're doing well.
Yep.
Over to you, Anshul, and
you.
we'll talk again.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.
Thank you, Pranab. Thank you, Adrian. Good morning. My name is Anshul Joshi. I'm the MSAUL Ops Lead, and I'll be pleased to show you around the operations floor. Let's go. This is an access controlled floor, and only employees who have been aligned to MSAUL will get the access to this floor. Let's walk in. Welcome to MSAUL operations floor. Now, I will quickly hand it over to my colleague to give you a 360-degree view of the entire floor. Thank you. We believe the team offshore will be an extension of your enterprise. Hence, you see all the walls adorning MSAUL vision and values for one team ethos. Like you can see, the floor is appropriately lit, ventilated, air conditioned, and there is uninterrupted power supply. Each seat that you see on the floor will be equipped with a laptop docking station, computer peripherals, and there is enough space available if we need to set up an additional desk unit. On that side, we have also provided for a meeting room that can comfortably seat 3, and this is specifically for any in-person meetings, calls, and discussion. And if we need a bigger floor, on this floor, we also have a boardroom and a bigger meeting room available. I hope you liked the floor walk today. Thank you for your time. And with that, I pass it back to Victor, my colleague. Thank you.
Good job. Just when you're standing in front of that one, it might be worth calling out that that was one of the slides in the PowerPoint
Okay.
pack we did, where we aligned our values to
Yeah.
theirs. But everything else is great.
Yeah.
Just because that's quite a nice.
We'll do that.
Yeah.
And I positioned myself there because when we did the
That's
dry
good.
runs yesterday and day before,
That's
we
good
wanted to,
Yeah, I think
you know,
that's the right
show,
positioning.
yeah,
It's just then
show the values.
cooler.
Correct.
Unless you want me to walk down with you and do that, but I think you should do it. I think it's.
Whichever way you like.
Yeah, you do it. You do it.
Okay.
And I'll be on standby anyway. And
Sure.
then just before you pass over to Victor, I can always.
Sounds good.
Yeah. That was great. Well, that was good. Now, one thing.